Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to download Twitter videos for desktop and mobile. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So of course the first step is to find the video that you want to go ahead and download. So I'll look one now. So we'll just go to home, see if I can find a video. So we have now found a video. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and right click, or we could just click on this. And now we will have the option here to copy the video address if we just right click. So we'll go ahead and right click that. Now either open up a new tab or just use this current tab. So I'll just go ahead and paste that in. Copy the address for this. Now I'll go ahead and show it on screen, but all you need to do now is just type SSS Twitter, and you will be brought to this site. Now go ahead and insert your link. So we'll just do that, and all we need to do is click download. So that'll just prepare the video for you, and there you are. You've got a couple of options there where you can download it at 480, 640, 1280, or convert it to MP3. Now this also applies the same to mobile, which I'll go ahead and show you now. So same thing, it could be mobile website or an actual desktop site. Literally search up sstwitter.com, put in the link that you want, download it, and you'll get a list of options like we did on desktop. So if you click on download HD, then you can view it and click download. So there you go guys, that is how to download Twitter videos on desktop and mobile. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.